ইন্ডিয়ান সুপার লিগে হারের হ্যাট্রিকের মুখে মোহনবাগান। প্রথমে মুম্বাই সিটি এফসি, তারপর এফসি গোয়ার কাছে হেরেছে। বুধবার কেরল ব্লাস্টার্সের বিরুদ্ধে খেলতে নামবে মোহনবাগান এসজি। এই মুহূর্তে কেরল ব্লাস্টার্স যথেষ্ট ভালো জায়গায় রয়েছে। হারের হ্যাট্রিক রুখতে কি ভাবছেন মোহনবাগান কোচ? এ ব্যাপারে প্রশ্ন করা হলে তিনি জানিয়েছেন, আমরা প্রত্যেক ম্যাচই 3 পয়েন্টের লক্ষ্যে নামি, 1 পয়েন্টের লক্ষ্যে মোহনবাগান খেলে না। গত 2টি ম্যাচ হেরে গেছে বেশ কিছু প্লেয়ার না থাকার জন্য। আমাদের মোট 8 জন খেলোয়াড় চোট এবং কার্ডের আওতায় রয়েছে। বুধবারের ম্যাচেও পাওয়া যাবে না সাহাল, হামিল এবং গ্লেন মার্টিন্সকে। তবে এদের কারোরই কিন্তু মাসেল ইনজুরি হয়নি, খেলতে খেলতে চোট পেয়েছেন প্রতিপক্ষের টাফ ট্যাকেলের জন্য। মাসেল ইনজুরি মাত্র 2 জনের হয়েছে এই না থাকা 8 খেলোয়াড়ের মধ্যে। অতএব প্রিসিজন আমাদের ঠিকঠাকই হয়েছিল, ভাগ্যের হাতে আমাদের মার খেতে হয়েছে। ঘুরে দাঁড়ানোর লড়াইয়ে ছেলেরা ঐক্যবদ্ধ। এবার শুনে নিই সাংবাদিক সম্মেলনে ঠিক কি বলেছেন মোহনবাগানের কোচ হুয়ান ফেরেন্দো।
Injuries is because exist tackles, and there exists only 2 injuries this season was for the muscle problems. The rest of the injuries was tackles. So in this case, it's not our fault. Repeat, exist persons to decide on the field to protect the players. Next is more reasons. It's clear tackles. The scans you know about the scans. It's a dangerous tackles, it's a dangerous injuries, so in this case it's not possible only to prepare the medical staff a good recovery and good treatment, and we'll see. The same, our injuries is, except Brendan was the hamstring problems in the last match, Zappa with elbow, Asike, in case of now of a Glan, in case of Sarhalis tackles. So this is not it's not our problem. It's not the methodology problem. Exists persons to control and to protect the players. They don't decide to protect the players. So it's a problem for the team. It's a problem for the national team. It's a problem for Asian Cup. So, but in this case, it's not in my hands. The medical staff are working hard with Sahal, with Glan, with Asike also in this moment, but we'll see with Anwar, but it's difficult. We need time, we need days, we'll see if it's coming in January, February, we don't know. Injury, all the time, we'll see, but it's very difficult. We'll see, but it's very difficult. I explained 2 weeks ago, the injuries for both players, it's difficult to play for them, and we'll see. We try to do the best until the last moment, but it's difficult. All the time, all the press conference explained the same. All the team is working in attack. All the team is working in defense. So if we concede goals, the problem is for everybody. If we score, for me, it's not who scored the goal, if it's coming, or is Armando, is Monbir, or is Brendan Hamil. For me, this is not important because all the team is playing in attack. In defense is the same. The last matches, okay, we have some problems. First of all, because against Mumbai, we are 9 players on the field. The last match, everybody knows about the situation. We changed the plan because some injuries, some problems. But I'm not thinking the problem is only for the 2 or 3 players, because all the players knows when we play in attack, everybody can score the goal. In defense is the same. So I think it's in football necessary to talk about 1 name or 2 names, because this is a team. In team, everybody has responsibility. Everybody is important in attack or in defense. In the matches. If we concede 1 goal, we know we need to do 2 goals. If we concede 2, we know we need 3. I'm not thinking about the first step is not concede. No, because our mentality is win the matches. So in this case, you need to do a score. You need to find the spaces in the last part in attack, create chances. This is the most important. If you are creating chances, if you are playing in attack, in the same moment you are working in defense. If you are thinking only in defense, it's a risk because in one moment you concede one goal and you need to change the plan. So no exists a special plan about this. Of course we concede goals. Of course the goals we concede it's with 10 players or with 9 players was in penalties, was in one little mistake. So this case is part of football, but repeat, for me the most important is the mentality of the team is continue working in the same way and try to win. In football, in life, everything is fine. Exists good moments, exists difficult moments. For me the most important is more than motivated to our mentality in front of us exists a big challenge. Of course the results are not in good way for us, but all the time explain the same. In this moment I trust more in my players, I trust more in my team, I trust more in my club, because this is a big club for this reason. When exists difficult moments, the people is not crying, the people is not trying to find excuses. It's looking forward and to find the best for the next day. The matches are difficult, of course, but in this moment for me the most important is thinking in my team, to prepare my players. The job, Kerala is doing good performance. They are doing well. They of course the situation of the emotional is much better in Kerala because they won the last matches. But the most important is my team, and for me I think it's the team after the Goa. I think it's time to prepare the next match, to be ready for the next match. That's all. No lose energy in the opponents, because I repeat all the time, the opponents is not in my hands. In my hands is my team, is my players. So this is the most important. I'm thinking all the time explain the same. For me the most important is the team, be ready for the next matches. Of course in front of us exists a lot of difficult moments, a lot of things is against us, but I'm not thinking in myself. I'm thinking to help the team, to find the best lineup, who is ready, who is fit, and try to get the 3 points. But never I'm thinking about pressure for myself. This is football. We are working in one club, we are working in one team, and this is the most important for everybody. Change the situation, continue with the same situation. Of course now Rasis Rai and Hector Juste, they have no penalty, so they can play, but the situation of the injuries, they continue in the same situation.